Like what is happening in the market, what is happening in the solution.
Past 2 days onwards, I'm not listening the tech news, Akash.
Okay, so we'll go there afterwards. First,
We will talk later. First, okay, I'm turning my camera on.
okay. So according to this, what I understood is, one is the analysis part. Okay, data collection, analysis, documentation, and your role will be the conducting the literature reviews, assisting in study design, and preparing the reports to share the insights, actionable insights. Okay,
Yes.
like basically you need to frame a problem statement that you need to have it, and another one is how you will collect the data related to that problem statement.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is two things you need to think about it. We discussed in the morning, right?
Yes.
Same, that key points you need to think about it.
Yeah.
And another part is analysis. How will what will be your analysis part, and how
Yes.
will you document the learnings that you are documenting from the day one?
Yeah.
Correct. So this is what from the day one also we are doing the same thing. This is what the company is doing.
Yes.
Okay. So it's a RiskGuard Enterprise Solutions. That is what I feel. That it's not that much hard to crack it. That is what they are looking at.
Yes. Like my previous internship on Accenture actually is relevant to these skills what they're looking for. You got it, Akash, what I said?
Good regard.
You are stuck on the camera. I thought that what happened to Akash? Why is
Yeah. I was looking at you.
where is actually the camera? Like where are you actually
This camera
looking?
here. It is the camera.
Yeah. Okay. So after this session, what I'm planning is I plan for the introduction. I make the resume and I go through the problem statement. First, I go to the problem statement, and I do
I will tell you. Okay. How you need to think about it. Let me share my screen. Let me show you
Sure.
a couple of things so that it will help you out. Okay.
Okay.
So let me do my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
No, Akash. Akash, can you use that Miro whiteboard? It is good actually when you're presenting things there.
Which one?
Miro whiteboard.
Yeah. Okay. Just a second. Hero.com/app, right?
Yeah. I like this tool actually.
There are a couple
Yeah.
of things that you need to before the things I will outline what you need to prepare.
Okay. Sure, Akash.
Let me give a second.
Yeah, Akash, were you saying something?
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Akash.
Okay, then it's good. Okay, so we were up till here, some cleaning the data or something like that. Okay, so I will
Yes.
continue here itself, so you will understand things. Okay. First of all,
Akash, I will share one of the PPT I made for this data analysis.
okay,
Can I share that with you?
yeah, that,
The Accenture one.
okay,
Accenture one.
which leave it about it. Okay. Okay. So first thing is you need to craft your intro as it is that I have presented here. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you need to have it like analysis, like how you will help it. Okay, data collection, analysis, and documentation is there, no?
Yes.
And you share the experiences all together. Analysis.
Okay.
Same way, like previous how we have done, right? The same thing.
Okay.
So what you do is try to record it. Okay. Whatever you guys are having a discussion, correct, with your founder or something.
Sure. Okay.
So that I will able to understand your like kind of a conversation you are having, correct?
Okay.
I'm not getting your like. Can you just speak little bit louder?
Now it's okay, Akash?
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Okay, I will speak loud.
Yeah. So what I was telling that whenever you have this intro, right?
Okay.
Record full things here during this conversation. You will be having with the founder. Okay.
Okay. Sure, Akash.
And during intro part, you try to mention that what you have done, what skills you have done, gained, and how this data analysis, collection, and documentation, this role will be relevant for you. Okay, how this part will be relevant to this particular roles, which this internship. Okay. So internship will help you out. Got it?
Okay.
So how it will help you out and how I can get most out of it. Okay. So after that, they will be having a culture thing or something like that. You will be going to demonstrate culture, values, what they have, and what are the problems they are focusing about. Something like that. You need to research about. Research on couple of things they will be going to talk about. Research on couple of things. Correct.
Okay.
So they will be going to talk about. Just try to ask lot of questions there. Like, is there any opportunity to where I can explore, generate the reports or something like that? Okay.
Sure, Akash.
So how the generating? They will be gonna ask like in generating reports, whatever you have learned in an Excel, can you just help me out with that? Okay.
Okay.
What are the things? What are the couple of things you have learned? Let's say, let me take this whatever you have shared, right? So let's say, let me take as things. Okay. Just give me a second. So let me see. You can see my screen, correct?
Yes.
So what we can do is, if you get time, you can do this. Otherwise, no. I will say.
Are you showing some of the ATS format?
Yes.
In the morning, you sharing
there is a link where I have created one bot like GPT store and the GPT store. It is one of the app that I have created. Okay. So you guys can do that now. Okay. Each and every time we were writing a prompt, correct?
Yes, Akash.
So what I thought is like having something like this. It will help you a lot. Okay. So we'll think about it. Let's say how can we connect with our portal itself? Let's say activity logger is there, right? Correct?
Yeah.
So we can have a like resume checker, something like that. So in our portal itself, it will be great. So you can ask like how do I structure my resume to pass the ATS filter? Okay. Use clean simple format. Okay. So it is giving something like that. Like it is giving some references for you how you can craft it like this. Okay. So each and every time you don't have to write a prompt for it. So it is these are the aspects you need to think about. This is what one of the ATS optimizer GPT store, which has been created by me, but it is under another provider, like another operator I have created for them, so you can use not issues. Okay. So this is one quick update about the creating the ATS friendly resume. Okay.
Got it, Akash. Yeah.
So Then another part is like there is one of the unit is can you just share me that project one once?
Okay.
Excel automation we were having, right? Excel. Let me search on it.
You are asking about that VBA project.
Yes. So what I'm thinking is creating such kind of a bots for us, so it will help us, right? Why should we go into this again and again, writing a prompt again and again, prompted?
Yes.
What do you say?
Yeah, I agree on that.
Okay, so let's say this is the thing. Let's say I'm copying this. Let me take another.
And one thing I know about that founder is he's not the tech guy.
No, it's okay.
He's
okay. It's okay.
He's not into the tech turn. So I want to explain in such a way that he can understand clearly.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. In the meetup, he mentioned that when he giving some discussion in the meetup, he discussed that point. I'm not the tech guy, but I'm starting the tech one, the new startup. He mentioned.
Yeah. Like you can have it something relevant to it as attached in screenshot. So try to create a prototype. Okay. So that you are coming with the preparation, not just looking up, and you will crack that crack the internship offer at least.
Yeah.
Screenshot so that you can create a prototype. Okay, so now I will just write it like this. I have some of the things. Okay, so I am building kind of several things. See, okay, certain like these projects, if you create it right, so it will help us a lot.
Yes.
Like let's say data connection analysis and documentation, correct?
Yes.
Let us do this. Okay, let's
So you pasted the screenshot now of what I shared.
No. I wanted to let me design a prompt, act as a expert data analyst. Okay. It will take time, Rakesh. Okay. So I am writing.
Yeah,
I think it is taking a lot of time to have it.
Sure. Okay. No
now
problem.
only I am designing preparation. I am doing right now in front of you. So things who has like this. And then we'll talk about what is happening in tech and what is service industries are doing right now with the candidates. Okay.
Yeah. Sure, guys.
Maybe 5+ years of experience. Okay. Your task is to focus on building a project end to end. which focuses on on three things. One what? One is framing a problem statement.
Okay.
What this particular they are focusing on about?
They're focusing on the review, like literature review they mentioned.
Okay.
Can I share the main points highlight? I will share in the chat.
Let me guess it. Okay. Framing a problem statement. Framing and problem statement. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can have it discuss with like you can have a put forward my name as well. So one of the guy who is doing as well. So we can couple of things we can do as well. He working as a consultant or something like that. You can have it, but if after certain point of time, after you have decided something, okay. Yeah, I'm not telling this.
I shared one of the main things in the Google Meet. Can you check it there?
Okay, just a minute. Data collection, analysis, and documentation. Create a project. See, what I am doing here is create a project end to end which focuses on which domain. Which focuses on risk guard enterprise. Okay, what focuses on risk guard domain. Correct. Okay. Tell yes or no, yaar.
Yeah, sorry. My voice is not audible.
When I'm telling, then you are reasoning.
Okay. I follow your lead.
Generate and downloadable data set. What you are doing, you are understanding?
Yeah. So you giving the problem statement and asking that give the data set related to that.
Step by step, end to end project. Do you think anyone is focusing on this?
No.
End to end project for this, for about creating. Do you think anyone is doing this?
No. I'm seeing the LinkedIn's when they're doing differently, they're posting that. But this approach, no one I saw.
Yeah, it's curious, yeah. Like it's try to have to build which is wanted. That is what the companies are looking at it. So I will talk about it various industries later on. End-to-end project for about creating this project like a 5-year-old kid. So why I'm telling this is, so any leader wanted to hire you, how they can take a risk, take a bet on you.
Yeah,
it's like a bet only, right?
Yes,
they are taking a chance. Right, so let me do it. So you will understand.
Today I saw the one of the LinkedIn post articles. In the post, what it mentioned the main thing is if you are struggling growing in the data analyst, chance of making your critical mistakes. Focusing too much on the tools not enough because it's impact. Yes, Excel and these tools are important for the Excel, Power BI, SQL, Python, or SQL. But if you can't translate data insights that drive the decision, you stay stuck in just reporting and generate rules.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. If you're not understanding that just learning the tools, just not understanding how to how to take insights from that, then it is you are making the mistakes there.
It's not about doing hard work, Rakesh. Okay,
Yeah.
everyone, like, there is Neeson. Okay, he's also working hard.
Mm.
Do you think that he will be earning more than a leader or founder?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Huh?
Yeah. No. The founder will get the more money, no, at the last day.
See, if you are starting a startup, if you wanted to become a millionaire or billionaire, what others are not doing, that you need to do. Hard work you need to put it, right? Then only you can have that kind of a wealth. Correct?
Yeah. Correct.
If everyone is doing 9 to 5 job and everything, everyone is doing the courses, kind of the courses only.
Yeah.
Do you think you are able to generate that kind of wealth?
No.
Just like graduate step by step, just like a 5-year-old. Okay. So let
Yeah.
me. We will not focus on that. We will focus.
Sure, Rakesh.
Just messing up with this. Okay. So see, try to put it something like this way. Okay. I will not tell that this is good way, this is bad way. Try to create a POC projects.
Okay.
Okay, so I was not knowing about this thing, right? So risk guard enterprise solution where we analyze the customer fraud risk based on different factors. Okay. Yes. So
Yeah, Rakesh, I'm there.
yes. So this is what the thing is all about. Okay. What is a problem? Okay. What is a problem statement? Think of like this. Imagine you run a store. Some customer buy the toys and pie, but some bad people take toys and don't pay. Right. So this is what I think about. Even non-technical person is interested also. Okay.
Yeah.
In an intern, he is looking at it. How he can bet on you. Basically, if you do the simple projects, real world projects, which is helping as a curiosity, you have done some analysis. Right?
Yes.
So he can take. He is very interested in it. Like, what is this? Can you just tell me how you have done this? They are not interested in the tools yet. I am really telling you this.
Yes.
Tools are just a way of presenting and solving the problem. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. But actually understanding the problem where it is, that is what the job of a data analyst. Not creating a report, creating this, creating that. That is not the job of a data analyst. Even software engineers can do that, right?
Yeah.
What's different in a data analyst? It
Yes.
is that the thing you need to do. Okay. So here try to see here, like step I will be collect the data based on this problem statement. I will be gonna collect the data. I told you first of all, you don't collect directly. You try to understand what's a problem statement, framing a problem statement,
Yeah.
researching,
Mm-hmm.
right? Domain they are into this. What are the things that you are looking at it? You ask couple of questions. There.
Yeah.
Correct. Number
Yes.
2, you collect the data making a toy basket. Okay. We need a data to understand which customers are risky. See, these are the
Yes.
things. So you tell, like curious, you can see, right? In the childhood, I was looking at these factors. When I grow a certain bigger ages, like 22 years, 20 years of age, then I came to know how this is helpful for me. I didn't went directly into the data analytics industry. I tried to ask myself how this is curious for me. How this was curious to understanding about the analysis. Correct?
Yes, Akash.
So, customer name, who bought this product, order ID, unique number for every order. Correct? So, what this particular attribute is all about? How much did they spend? Payment status paid or not paid? location, city where the customer is, previous orders, how many times they bought before, okay,
Yes. Yeah.
return rate, how often they return the items,
Yes.
okay. So I will create a download the file. This is what the data set it has provided to you, right? ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Then you will analyze the data. How will you do that? You will find the naughty customers. Yes. So
Yeah.
brings you a lot of things that even that founder will be very curious, right? Now,
Yes.
see, like, information is everywhere. How you present it, how will you say it, it's the importance.
Yeah, that's the important, Akash. The tools using the tools, creating dashboard is not important.
Not
How
important.
you creating the things to the stakeholders.
Like even AI will do that. Why they should hire you?
Yeah.
Right? There is then and there itself there are a lot of many AI tools. Anyone is able to do it.
Yes.
Like I got one of the questions, in one of the videos comments is talking about like, hey, you are doing so many things. Why it is required? I told the job role requires another thing. Industry works differently, and whatever you are thinking in the world, right? Tech, it's very very different.
Yeah.
The way the industry works is very very different.
Yes.
They can't take a bet on some of the machines, but initially they have to take a bet on human beings itself. They have to trust the human beings itself, correct?
Yeah. Like if the vision makes error, it's very problem to them also.
Yeah, the machines has been built by us, but it has some problems into it. Okay.
Yeah.
See, these are the things. How will you do that? Payment state not paid. What are the risky and safe? Right? You will document by writing a story. Okay. How many risky customers we found? Which cities has more risky customers? What patterns do risky customer have? Example always cancels the orders. How can company reduce the risk? Then you can take a different kind of a story. You can take a Zomato as a use case. Correct.
Yes.
So let's say I am telling you. You can get into the details of like what are the key things you will be going to do it in analysis.
Yeah.
Let's say I will give you an example here.
Okay.
Here I will just copy and try to give the lot of things here. Data collection is done.
Like
analysis.
What the data is providing me is very curious to me. Even I'm the guy who knows some technologies. It's very interesting while listening to this kind of data.
Yeah. So right now, what we will do is analysis. You can have it like use the specific questions. Use and ask specific questions.
Okay.
Related to what? Related to concepts, right? Related to concepts like conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. Another what else? Conditional formatting, VBAs, macros.
Yes. Lookup.
And building a dashboards, creating a dashboards.
Yeah.
Creating a dashboards. Okay. So now I have done here project step by step, right? Related to which domain? Which focusing Risk-Guard enterprise solution domain for e-commerce like Zepto, Zomato, Swiggy. Okay.
Yeah.
Swiggy. So write a step-by-step end-to-end project for above creating a project like Wicket. Create a step-by-step and follow this format. Okay. Follow this format. Like what you can take it as like try to have a flow of data analysis life cycle. What are that analysis life cycle? Just give me a second. I will list it out.
Yeah.
These are a couple of things that rarely you need to have.
Yeah.
Just give me a second.
Sure, Akash.
Yeah. So just whatever the things I don't know about the data analytics,
Yeah.
try to document it.
Okay. Yeah.
So like extracting
Okay.
I'm into the founder zone now. Okay, I'm like not.
You feeling like the founder now?
Yes.
Yeah. I will share some of the insights also after your prompting is completed.
Here's the data transformation. Transformation, data modeling. So cleaning the data, what does that mean is like we'll be gonna check that what is there any null values. So you try to specify that. You need to check on.
Okay.
Check on whether there are null values or need some splits.
Okay.
Okay. Splits or not. Okay.
Okay.
Or not based on condition.
Okay.
Based on conditions. Now transformation. When it comes to transformation, whether you have to create a new column or not, based on the existing data, whether you have to create a new column or not. Based on existing data, you have to create a new column. Then it's kind of cleaning the data and transforming the data, right? It is like a ETL, like expand, transform, and load.
Yes.
Where we were, yeah. So both combining cleaning and transforming is a ETL. Okay. Like you will be very amazed, like when after you have like a data analysis, you will do in data modeling. Like, you will check for an outlier, like data modeling will doing the analysis data. Tomorrow we'll understand a lot, okay, like how you will convert into the data problem, business problem, data problem. So here you will be having an executive summary.
Okay.
So executive summary. Summary means like what are the analysis you are having. That is what the dev code will be having. Right?
Okay.
Guide me step by step. Okay, so let me take this. Okay. Okay. Input.
Okay. Yeah.
What do you think?
Septic cleaning data cost before. Yeah, like Akash, yeah, like they are into the giving services to the small business owners and the entrepreneurs and the local business in the area, and they are also offering the yeah, they are like focusing on the small businesses.
Yeah, that I
Like this is very much related to the company.
Yes. So now what you do is guide me step by step to complete this project.
Like a
Step by step project. Set your over. Then file over. Okay. Also complete this project. Okay. So this is what the thing is. Super simple step by step plan. Okay. So it taken some data set here.
yes.
So if I wanted to do just
I think it's giving very simple data, Akash. Can we have like a big so much like 10 rows columns like
breakdown into the pieces. So right now I'm building one platform where common, like even businesses can send their proposals, send their even they can draft their documentation in the common platform, like whatever the pertaining to that particular client.
okay, the same at the same place.
Yes, yes. Like
Yeah.
there are a lot of platforms where they are doing couple of different apps.
Yes.
People like even like non-technical person, they have to go with the another platform. They have to pay their this that and everything.
Yeah, this is a long process go for that. Pieces. Yeah.
This tech and all is like it's easy for them but not for us.
Mm-hmm.
But I wanted to make this very simplified for my own business.
Yeah.
So even customers comes, right, they will come to us.
Yeah.
See, now I have told that you break down this, do that. So it has created for me, right?
Yes.
See, now first what I did, try to understand one thing. Okay.
Okay.
What are the problem statement you are doing? Try to have a prompt, something like this. Okay, I will be putting into the my YouTube channel itself. So anybody wanted to go through it, they can go through it this particular way. If they wanted to land any kind of jobs, this is what the way they can do it. And
Yes.
Nowadays, cracking in job interviews as a data analyst, it's very easy. What I feel.
Yeah.
The people
What I understand is what things are they doing. Explain that clearly to the interviewer is very important.
Yes. So
As a data analyst, explaining, driving, like giving the insights of the data is very much important. What they clearly understand about that data.
See, applying conditional formatting. We want to highlight the high risk customers in red, medium risk in yellow, and low risk in green. You can use a conditional formatting, click a new rule, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay. So these are the things that I feel it's very great things. This is what the transformation analysis dashboard use conditional format to highlight risk customers. So this is what thing I believe. I am not telling totally this ChatGPT will gonna give it. It will give you an idea how you have to create the project. You can take into this project into the different verticals. Like let's say you wanted to create one of the dashboards. Okay, just try to visit one of the YouTube tutorials. How you can create a project end to end.
Okay.
Try to visit that. Try to ask here I wanted to create a dashboard, something like this. Can you help me with this particular kind of a dashboard?
Okay.
See, it's all about analysis and try to build it in the lesser time.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get that. This is what all about I wanted to say. Okay, how you can do it, and this is the what the thing is all about. Okay, alright. So now get back into our today things. What happened? It's not today exactly I can say, but what is happening? I will gonna tell you about these things.
Sure, Akash.
In service industry is what happens. The people are not aware. Right? People are not aware. They are going to this services industries. Service industry means what?
Giving services to the stakeholders.
US clients or whatever it is. Correct? That may be Infosys. That may be TCS. I don't know about TCS that much. I believe that TCS is good. Okay, Wipro, Infosys, XYZ. Okay, I will not reveal such companies. I don't know what they are doing actually. Okay.
Yeah.
These are the people. See, let's say L&T. L&T is also the one of the people. Okay. Yes. So Wipro XYZ, the thing is the thing. Have you seen on the 7th February what happened?
7th February. Related to AI, you're asking, Akash?
No. Related to the people, hiring process related to the freshers actually.
No, I don't know, Akash. Can we walk you through that?
Yeah, just give me a second. So let me tell you with various segments so that you will understand.
Okay.
So in this particular, what happened? What is the thing actually, right? So today I'm sharing that is very important story about the Infosys and big IT companies in India, and that isn't laid off happened with the pressure itself. Okay, so let me walk you through the situation first of all. Okay.
Okay.
What's the situation is all about.
Okay.
And situation is, I will talk about it. Okay. I will not write it so that it will take less time.
Okay, sure, Akash.
So imagine you have just finished out your graduation or something. Right? Okay. You were very excited to start a new job. Right?
Okay.
So what Infosys these people will do? They will train freshers, graduates in the Mysore campus.
Yes.
So what after long wait and lot of hard work during this training, fresher was suddenly told that you would be no longer be a part of a company.
After the training.
Yes. This happened because they didn't pass an important test even after trying it 3 times. Correct.
Okay. Correct.
This decision may shock many people with some saying like it's an unfair and even harsh. So when did that happen? This took place at 7th February 2025, and just few days ago, many freshers receiving this life-changing news. Correct.
Yeah.
So at Infosys, every new fresher goes through an extensive training. After the training, there is an important test. The rule is simple. You will get 3 chances to attempt to pass that particular exam. If you are not able to do it, you will be not continue working with that. Correct. So what the report says is that many trainees were even asked to leave the campus by 6 p.m. on the very day they were told they were no longer employed. So one incident, what happened? One trainee was pleasing, please let me stay the night because she had nowhere to go. Correct. So another thing, what happened is, where did it happen? Where did this happen? Like in the Mysore campus, I told you. Right?
Yeah.
So why do service companies do this? Do you know anything about why do they?
Because of the every year they have something, every month, every year they have some big budgets, Akash. Keeping that in the mind, they will if something, I'm coming with a different approach here. If the employees are leaving the company, the present employees are leaving the company, they can make the freshers into that roles.
Okay, I will
giving the time.
Why they do that. Okay. You might wonder why these big companies do something so strict. Infosys is a service-based company. This means that they provide services and many other companies need to give their work at very high level of quality. Right. They include this rule in their contracts to make sure every employee is well prepared. Okay. When someone fails to meet standard after 3 tries, company believes that it's the best to let them go, and so they can be continue to provide excellent service. Okay. So how you can avoid such situations? One is prepared well, right? Always study hard and practice as much as you can. Okay. Know the rules before reading. Read the contract first. Understand the expectation before starting. Okay. And ask questions. If anything is unclear, you will be tested and ask for help for a clarification. Correct?
Yes.
Even if you face a setback, use it chance before you try to improve a skill. Try to understand and have a backup plan in case the things don't go as expected. Try a backup plan. What should I do if this has happened? Something like this. What next? I can plan accordingly. Right?
Yeah.
That is what I try to say all the people. What can we learn from this? Be ready. Always prepared for tough challenges in any job. Okay. Understand your contract. Continuous improvement is also the thing. And and fair treatment matters. It is important for companies to be clear, fair with their employees, and employees to know their rights.
Yes.
Okay. In the conclusion, you need to understand that this decision by Infosys has caused a lot of debate. It remains as like every workplace has its challenges. By being well prepared and understanding what is expected, what you need to do, have you asked? This is what I am telling to you as well, right? What are the questions that you need to ask priorly itself? What kind of contracts? What are the things? What are those things you need to think about it?
Yeah.
Correct. So
Yes.
these are those things you need to think about it. Like these are like I don't deny, I don't appreciate these companies. These companies tell something different. They will tell that you have to stay away. You have to work for 11 hours, 12 hours. It's not fair. What I believe. Okay.
Yes.
So it's up to you. Like you have to decide. Like the clear path. Nowadays, the people I was having the same question. Okay, whoever got this opportunity from one of like with our colleges as well, they don't know what they wanted to do in their life.
Okay.
They are just going into the mass hiring companies. They got selected. Okay, what happens in these companies? They are providing a services. Lot of services they are offering, like SaaS, that is a thing. Salesforce, it is a thing. What I believe is try to explore. First, you explore it. Don't go with the companies. Correct? You try to build a project. Try to give an interview. You will understand. You will explore a lot of things with it.
Yeah.
So this is what the thing is all about. I wanted to tell. Like, read before you join. Read the rules. Read a contract.
Yes.
Understand their expectation, what they are asking.
Yeah. Ask more questions to them.
Yeah. Don't be in a hurry. Like, I'm very excited for this role. Is that and this? Do the fluff. You don't tell which you cannot deliver it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
That is what I wanted to say at the last. So this is what all about I wanted to say. Okay. That's it from my side. So you prepare well for tomorrow's kind of a preparation. Okay.
Yeah. We had a conversation with him. I had a conversation with him. So like I said that I will remind you in the morning. When I should I remind you in the morning? He said that remind me at 9 p.m. I will give I will go through the chat. Just give a moment.
Okay, let me stop the recording.
Yes.
Technology will come and go, but the things should be relevant. What the connection between the human beings will be stay.
Okay.
To work. So everyone, like what I believe is in Infosys they talk a lot of philosophical words. Okay. I am against of it. Don't talk. If you are doing in an action, I believe it. If you don't do it, then I don't. These companies are like for a reason. Okay. Let's say you have seen in a social media, right? Like Sudha Murthy, Narayan Murthy, they are like
they give the statements.
Just a statements. They donate such shares to their child.
Yes.
Grandson or something. Grandchild. Yeah. So one thing you have to notice, they are not working for you. Basically, you have to understand the reality that you have to appreciate your time. You have to get paid for your time. That's it. 8 hours means 8 hours. Let's say you are earning 30K per month. 8 hours is enough. Done for the day.
Yeah.
No one will work.
Yes.
If you are doing extra, see, I am getting a lot of things, lot of companies, lot of US companies. They don't have a 1 minute extra also. If you do 30 minute extra, right, they pay for you.
Oh.
They will pay for you.
Okay.
Like I'm working with one of the client, he tells like, if I am working extra with you, like creating a flow or creating understanding my problem statement, I will pay for it. They value for a time, and this times also they will value.
Basically, they value the people's time.
Yes, that is what the difference is, right? This guy Infosys, L&T people. So that's why I didn't work. I know this reality, this companies are for a reason.
So they do like labor work.
How to do the intelligent work. So this is what the scenario is. That's it from my side. Prepare well. All the best for tomorrow's preparation. I will not give a lot of philosophical things to you. You are at the greater place to understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, guys.
My duty is only to tell you this is the flow, this is what you can do it, but until the end of the day, you have to execute it. That's it.
Yeah. Akash, can you share that ChatGPT like a link with me? What you created?
And let me share the link as well.
Yeah.
Share the link. I don't think so. It is shareable.
Okay. Do you recorded this session? Or can you share that recordings?
Yes. I will upload into the YouTube channel. Then I will do that.
Yeah, I think if you upload in YouTube, it might take time now.
No. I have to like little bit. I need to edit. Then I will tell you.
Okay. Even if it's not okay. You can share that normal things to me. I will go to the recordings. I think after getting into the YouTube, it's taking time.
I will upload it. Yeah, like it will take time. No? Like uploading. It's like 1 GB size. I will just share you the prompts. You can just look into it.
Okay.
Shall I share it into the group or like?
Yeah, okay. We can have a group now. You can share it there on.
Okay. See this one.
Okay.
So I have created this one first. The first. So whatever you feel like you need to adjust it, you can just adjust it. I just written for now.
Okay. Okay.
Then next is
another prompt.
Yes, another prompt. Like whatever we have understood, right? Data cleaning stuff. Just demonstrate it.
You for the second prompt, you share the screenshot, no?
No. I will. It will work, yeah. It will work for anything. You just try to.
Okay.
These are the detailed instruction. Last prompt is there, right? So detailed instruction how you need to do it.
Yeah. You taken out your book also.